Hi friends, so excited to be here and show you another Potomac beads kit. So here is our July box. Super exciting. Let's see what we've got. So this month is called Aloha Paradise. So it says, draw inspiration from the vivid colors and textures found in the Hawaiian volcanic landscapes in this month's treasure box. Daggers, cabochons, and round duos recall the various green hues of dense, varied plant life. The soft, rounded drop and flower shapes feature colors as hot as lava to pop in your designs. A cool, rainy blue gemstone punctuates the warm color palette, and volcanic grays and black provide a visual reprieve from the surrounding vibrant bouquet. So let's see what we've got. All right, we've got some sunflower AB Potomac crystal bicones in 4mm. Ooh, those are pretty. Those are very pretty. Then we have some magnesite turquoise matted round 4mm blue. Oh, look at how pretty those are. Very pretty. I love round duos, so fun that they have this green teal luster of round duos. That color is just so pretty. Oh, these are very unique. Check triangle beads in yellow and brown. Very unique. Very unique. Oh, and they're, looks like, are they one hole? Let's look at these for a sec. Can't tell if they're one hole or two hole. So there's a hole. Okay, so they're just kind of like a pendant, or they hang down, the holes here hang down like that. Very fun. We've got some silver Mayuki bead 8s. Very fun. These, look at these killer beads. Oh my goodness. Let's see, what are these? These are big check glass petal beads. How fun are those? We've got 5 meters of size 6 gold tan. How pretty is that? See if I can get it to focus on it. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty, of their dragon thread. Ooh, this green color. How gorgeous is that? There we go. These are check faceted rounds in chartreuse. I like that color. Very cool. 3 of these check flower drop beads. Very pretty. Pull one out for you guys. Should probably pull. Sorry, I'm not pulling them all out. Let's see if I can get that to focus on that. How beautiful is that? Oops. And here's our check cabochons, 10mm and with a white teal luster. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. So pretty. We got check flower beads and Picasso. I love Picasso finishes in dark gray. They're very subtle. So Picasso is kind of like there's different colors weaved into the bead. Very subtle, but very pretty. These are really cool. These are a square black, square red. Now let's see what they're called. I'm looking on my list. See if I can find what they call it. Just check square beads, but I like the design. Look at that. It's a very cool design. Check disc beads in bright yellow. Ooh, so pretty. Get the focus on it. It's like, you see those striations in there? Very pretty. Some good old E6000 glue. Athena cast jump rings in oval, and they're open. Those are fun. Don't need that. Don't need to show you that. These are check twisted rondelle beads, 5x6 and jet. In other words, very black. So like, it's hard to see, but they are twisted. If I can get it to focus. It likes to focus on what's underneath me. Oof, the color on these. Check square beads, transparent emerald. Oh, the other ones are check glass swirl squares. Look at, no, maybe if you see through it, you can see the color. See how it's the video is not doing it justice. It's a beautiful green, just absolutely gorgeous. Some check dagger beads in matte green. Oh, that's fun. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Some more Athena casts. I really like their Athena casts. These are kombucha settings. So those lovely kombuchas that we got. We got bibo beads in opaque gray. Pretty basic bead, but lots of fun. 2-hole bead. Very pretty. These are check heart beads mixed in garnet. So they're not garnets, but the color is called garnet. I doubt the video can do justice how pretty this. There's like some really pretty striations in it. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Another hit out of the park there. Thank you, Potomac. I can't wait to make something fun with these. Such beautiful beads. All right, stay tuned for a design on the fly. Bye.